Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Prince George's County in central Maryland until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:30 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Oxon Hill to near Fort Washington, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bowie, Clinton, Fort Washington, Forestville, Largo, Upper Marlboro, Andrews Air Force Base, Camp Springs, Oxon Hill, Kettering, Rosaryville, Friendly, Marlton, Temple Hills, Marlow Heights, Whitmore, Accokeek, Brandywine, District Heights, and Baden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.